Steel is not just metal. It is strength. It is infrastructure. It is the backbone of modern industry. But behind every ton of steel, there is a complex process that must be controlled with precision. Introducing Core Steel ERP, powered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, a solution built specifically for the steel manufacturing industry. Prudence Consulting delivers steel-specific ERP solutions tailored to real shop floor challenges. We improve production visibility and enable real-time decision-making through mobile-first technology. We provide end-to-end traceability. From raw material to finished goods, our system optimizes inventory, yield, and scrap control to protect margins. And we build long-term digital transformation partnerships for continuous improvement. Steel manufacturing is not transaction-driven. It is process-driven. Every heat, every batch, every stage, melting, rolling, cutting must be tracked precisely. Because even a small yield difference can create significant financial impact. Most generic ERP systems focus only on purchase, sales, and inventory. They ignore yield loss. They fail to capture scrap recovery. They miscalculate inventory value. Steel requires depth, not surface-level accounting. When systems don't reflect shop floor realities, teams lose trust in ERP. Manual corrections begin, reports become unreliable, and profitability becomes unclear. Uncaptured yield loss, uncontrolled scrap, complex pricing structures, inventory inaccuracies. These small gaps quietly reduce margins every day. Prudence Consulting delivers a steel-specific ERP solution designed around real operational challenges. With real-time production visibility, heat-wise traceability, yield and scrap optimization, and mobile-first shop floor data capture. This is not generic ERP, this is Steel Core ERP. We strengthen quality control. We optimize inventory. We simplify job work management. We accelerate implementation with steel accelerators. And we build long-term digital transformation partnerships. The result? Higher productivity, better operational control, improved profitability, and complete transparency across plants and depots. Join us on 19th February 2026 for an exclusive webinar designed specifically for steel manufacturers. Discover how Core Steel ERP powered by Microsoft Dynamics 365 helps streamline production, improve yield control, and enhance profitability. Learn directly from industry experts as they share practical strategies and real-world insights to drive operational excellence. Reserve your seat. Prudence Consulting, shaping the future of steel with Core Steel ERP. Visit consultingprudence.com to learn more.